Hello people, welcome to Gurukula. I'm Jai. So here is another video on frequently asked interview questions in computer networks. So in this video we will be talking about what is DNS. So DNS is abbreviated as Domain Name System, and which is a naming system for devices that is connected over the internet. So it is an hierarchical and decentralized system that translates the domain name to the numerical IP addresses, which is especially required to identify and to locate the devices on the internet by using the protocols. So as you can see, whenever we type www.google.com on our URL, we could able to see the Google search engine page which is loaded on our web browser. But at the back end, systems will not understand what google.com is, facebook.com is, twitter.com is. So Google does not understand any of the names. At the same time, it has to be remembered that for the humans, it is not possible for us to remember the IP addresses of all the servers at once. So there comes the DNS server, which will help us to resolve the domain name into IP addresses and IP addresses to domain names. So as it is clearly depicted in the figure, we could see that whenever we send a request, we call it as DNS request. So we type in what is google.com, and this google.com will be sent to the DNS server, and DNS server will have a giant logbook which will be having the mapping of all the domain names and then the corresponding IP addresses. By referring to this giant logbook, the DNS server will be responding back. We call that as DNS response, where you will have the corresponding IP address of that particular domain which you have requested for. And then using this IP address will be replaced in the place of destination address in the header or in the packets, and then the packet will be sent over the internet. So this is how the DNS will be working. So that's it for the video. I'm going to see you in the next video. Until then, it's bye from Jai and happy learning.